Germany Employment Guide. 18 lakh plus job vacancies nationwide. Germany faces labor shortages in engineering, construction, manufacturing, transport, healthcare, hospitality, logistics, and IT. Labor market statistics are monitored by the Federal Employment Agency, Bundesagentur für Arbeit. 1. Top 10 white-collar jobs facing worker shortages in Germany. 1. Software developers. 2. IT system administrators. 3. Cybersecurity specialists. 4. Mechanical engineers. 5. Electrical engineers. 6. Data scientists and data analysts. 7. Doctors and medical specialists. 8. Pharmacists. 9. Financial analysts. 10. Project managers, IT and engineering. Top 10 blue-collar jobs with worker shortages in Germany. 1. Truck drivers, heavy goods drivers. 2. Construction workers. 3. Welders. 4. Electricians. 5. Plumbers. 6. Carpenters. 7. Industrial mechanics. 8. Warehouse workers. 9. Machine operators. 10. Agricultural workers. Average salary 3,800 to 4,500 euros per month. Full-time employees earn competitive wages depending on sector and region. Higher salaries are generally found in Munich, Frankfurt, Hamburg, Stuttgart, and Berlin. Unemployment rate around 5 to 6%. Germany maintains a strong labor market with continuous demand for both skilled professionals and technical workers. Work 40 hours per week. The standard full-time working week in Germany is 38 to 40 hours under the German labor law. Minimum 20 paid leave days per year. Employees are legally entitled to at least 20 paid vacation days, though many companies provide 25 to 30 days per year, plus public holidays. Minimum salary approximate 12 euros and 41 cents per hour. Germany's statutory minimum wage is regulated by the government and adjusted periodically. Personal income tax 14 to 45%. Germany uses a progressive income tax system ranging from 14% to 45%, plus mandatory social security contributions.